Big news in the AI space impacting the lucrative search arena. AI startup Perplexity has made a long-shot offer to buy Google's Chrome browser for $34.5 billion. Venture investors have proposed funding the deal, according to the company. It comes after the Department of Justice suggested Google divest Chrome, its flagship search browser, as part of an antitrust suit the company lost last year. That ruling said Google had illegally monopolized the search market. The unsolicited bid by Perplexity is higher than the AI startup's current valuation, which is estimated to be around $18 billion. Perplexity has seen rapid growth, climbing from a $500 million valuation at the start of 2024 to where it is now, after at least 5 capital raises. CNBC understands there's no current Gulf sovereign wealth investments in Perplexity. It was reported by PitchBook that Qatar's QAA was a backer, but we have not been able to independently confirm that investment yet. In April 2025, Perplexity's CEO said the search engine was serving approximately 30 million users. It has received backing from investors including NVIDIA, SoftBank's Vision Fund 2, VC firms New Enterprise Associates and IVP, as well as Amazon founder Jeff Bezos and Meta's Jan LeCun. Perplexity is best known for its AI search engine, a potential Google challenger that gives users simple answers to questions and, unlike many other AI search engines, links out the original source material. Last month, it launched its own AI-powered browser called Comet. This isn't Perplexity's first big swing. The San Francisco-based startup submitted a proposal to merge with TikTok in January. The short-form video app's future in the United States has been under debate since last year, when Congress passed a bill banning the platform unless its Chinese owner, ByteDance, divest from it. Perplexity's proposed structure for a TikTok deal hasn't yet materialized. Meanwhile, the Perplexity deal raises the stakes for the Gulf, where various countries have been positioning themselves to take the lead in the race to acquire the latest artificial intelligence technology and lead the way on the creation of domestic AI industries. 5 Gulf sovereign wealth funds deployed $82 billion last year, accounting for more than 60% of all sovereign wealth fund investments, according to Global SWF. But where is the money going? Saudi Arabia, the UAE and Qatar are spending billions of dollars on data center projects with Microsoft and OpenAI. They're also attempting to buy chips in huge numbers from NVIDIA and AMD to fuel their AI ambitions. The UAE specifically is working to cement AI leadership through the creation of an Arabic language AI model. Abu Dhabi is home to 3 of the top 5 most active sovereign funds in the Gulf: Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Mubadala and ADQ. Together, they manage over $1.7 trillion in wealth. It makes Abu Dhabi the wealthiest city in the world in terms of sovereign capital. The funds have a massive focus on artificial intelligence. Mubadala, for example, deploying $24.2 billion last year into a multitude of sectors, including AI, where Abu Dhabi is seeking to gain a foothold. Mubadala, alongside the UAE AI firm G42, was one of the founding partners of a tech investment firm called MGX in the UAE. MGX, of course, was set up with the goal of eventually topping $100 billion in assets. It now plans to contribute to President Donald Trump's Stargate venture and has backed both OpenAI and Elon Musk's xAI. It's also working on building energy infrastructure and data warehouses. The Stargate UAE project, which was announced during President Trump's visit to the Gulf in May of this year, hopes to build the world's largest set of AI data centers outside of the United States. It is a big deal for the Gulf, which will use NVIDIA chips for the project, despite some concerns about the region becoming a backdoor to China. Meanwhile, just northwest of the UAE, Saudi Arabia has its own ambitions and hopes of diversifying its petro-reliant economy into sectors like technology. Humane is Saudi's AI company, launched in May of this year. It's, of course, owned by the Public Investment Fund. It hopes to develop AI tech, including large Arabic language models and established advanced AI infrastructure. And over in Qatar, they were one of the first Gulf countries to use NVIDIA GPUs to power a local AI cloud, powered by telco giant Ooredoo. Scale AI is also working with Doha to develop agents for various sectors, including education, the civil service, transportation, and health. Of course, the